In this video, I've got an update for you on how well my Amazon affiliate website, bestroofbox.com, is doing. In this video, I am of course going to be sharing with you all of the latest numbers in terms of revenue and traffic. I'm also going to be showing you some of the rankings that I've been getting on Google with all of the content that I've been adding to the site. Speaking of content, I'm also going to be talking about how I can help you with your content. So let's go. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. Before I go too much further, this video is part of a playlist which is full of all of the updates that I made to my Amazon affiliate website, including the very first video where I created the site. So if you've not watched them, I suggest you go do that right now. I'll put a link up to that playlist in a card. Just give it a click, start at the beginning, and all this will make a lot more sense. But anyway, let's jump straight into the figures. I'll put them up now. So let's start with the revenue. July has ended pretty well. We've got a total of 21 orders, totaling a commission of $107.73. It was slightly down on June, which I was a bit disappointed about because I was hoping that we could grow month on month. But hey, it was pretty close. If you remember, June was a total of 14 orders, totaling $129.71 in commission. Now, one of the main reasons for this was that we had quite a few high value items ordered back in June. We had 6, in fact, that were over $100, so that obviously really helped us when it came to commission. I mean, July wasn't too bad. We had quite a few roof box things ordered in July as well, including the monster roof box that is the Thule, or Thule, I don't even know how you pronounce that thing. People seem to pronounce it a number of different ways. But anyway, the Thule Motion XT box, which comes in at an amazing $750 to buy. So that gave us a great chunk of commission. So if we look at the total for the year, it's $252 since the site was launched. August has already started well with 9 ordered items, but only a revenue of $8.20. In fact, I can't see any roof boxes in the orders for August, but you know, it's early days yet. And you know, fingers crossed, let's hope that August can be a fantastic month and can smash June and July. I guess one thing to consider when it comes to revenue and indeed the niche or niche that you're in is that there could be some seasonality, and I'm starting to wonder that about the roof box niche and market. Obviously, a roof box is something that you tend to use more in the summer when you're going off camping and that kind of thing. And August is generally the time that you go away when people get time off work and the schools are out for summer and all that kind of stuff. So you know, that could have a big effect on sales, but you know, I'm not going to say too much just yet because I don't know until I've done a full year of of sales, as it were. But yes, just something to be aware of, that your niche could have some seasonal variations. Anyway, let's have a look at some more figures. So in terms of AdSense, well, AdSense isn't particularly exciting. We did $7.21 for July. I'm still considering whether I'm going to add some more ad units to try and increase that. But, you know, AdSense is not my main focus at the moment. I'm more interested in getting Amazon commission. So let's jump into Google Analytics and look at the traffic numbers. So if we take a look, we can see that traffic in June is up on July 107%, which is fantastic. Totals 3,238 users for the month. Organic still continues to go up, which is, you know, fantastic because that's the main source of traffic to the site. It's up 181%. That's July over June. So yeah, I'm just comparing each month. And I really wanted to drill into the organic search a bit more and see what was going on, what keywords were ranking. To do that, I fired up the tool Ahrefs, which is a premium tool. It's pretty cool. I'm lucky enough to have access to an account, and this was showing some pretty interesting stuff. So let's take a look. If I looked at the keywords section, it was giving me an indicator that 253 different keywords were ranking overall, and that's across all of the search results pages, not just page 1. If I just want to look at positions 1 to 10, which is generally page 1, there are now 24 keywords that are ranking well on page 1, which is really good. Now, I think I may have called this video dominating organic search or something. Well, I mean, maybe dominating is a little bit strong, but it's all going in the right direction and it's all really exciting, and it's all come from just adding really good content to the site on a regular basis. So that leads me on to what I want to talk about next, which is my brand new content writing service. You'll find details of it over on wpeagle.com. I'll put a link up now. Do go check it out. And basically, yeah, I've put together a team of writers that I'm now using for my content. In fact, if you want to check out some of the content that the guys have created for me, there is some articles over on bestroofbox.com. I'll put a couple up on the screen now, but it's basically the last few articles. So that's the Toyota Sienna one and the Thule Motion roof box review. Take a look at them and see what you think in terms of quality. Another article that was created by my team is the Audi Q7 roof box buyer's guide, which has been up a bit longer than the other two. And that article is already ranking really well. I mean, if I do a few searches for, like Audi Q7 roof box buyer's guide and that kind of thing, it often comes up, as you can hopefully see on the screen now. So yeah, the content I think is generally really well written. It doesn't need much editing when it comes to publishing it. So in terms of the packages that I'm able to offer at the moment, I've got 1,000-word article packages and 2,000-word article packages, although can have some flexibility on that if you need something different. I've got a few customers under my belt at the moment. It's only very small. I mean, we only actually officially launched it a few weeks ago, and I kind of launched it on the low just via the Facebook group, which, by the way, if you're not a member of, you should go check it out. You'll find a link to the Facebook group in the description. It's a great place to hang out and chat with other WordPress eaglers. So yeah, I've already got a few customers, and by far the most popular package is the 1,000-word epic package, which for just $360 a month, oh yeah, by the way, it is a monthly service, although you can cancel at any time. But yeah, for $360 a month, you get 8 1,000-word articles, and they come with all the trimmings, so full topic research. They're written by US or UK-based writers, depending on sort of English that you want. And you can have them revised as many times as you like. So if you're not happy with something, we'll rewrite it, redo it. And we can also include some images with those articles if we're able to find some nice royalty-free images for your topic. Now, I'd love to help a few more of you with your content. And of course, you get to deal with me. That's another bonus, I guess, of the service. Yeah, I think so. And as an extra bonus, the next 10 people that take up one of my services and leave a comment below this video, I will be offering a 1-hour consultation with me on Skype, where we can talk about your website, your niche. We can come up with some keyword ideas, which I'm more than happy to do in terms of using keyword research tools and generating you a nice list of ideas for articles. And yeah, we can throw some ideas about, and I'll give you my opinion on your niche and your direction and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully you'll get loads of value from it. So if you're up for that, go place an order now over on wpeagle.com. So you'll find the link directly to the services page in the description. Sign up for one of the packages, leave a comment below this video, and then I will be in touch with you and we'll arrange a time to have a Skype. Or we can even use the old-fashioned mobile phone as well, if you like. Entirely up to you. So yeah, I'll be looking out for those comments. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope your sites are doing well. I'd love to know how they're doing. Leave me a comment below. Sorry for the lack of uploads at the moment. It's summer and school holidays and holidays in general, so I haven't had a lot of time to record and do much work in general really. But once school goes back after August, normal service will resume, I promise. If you've got any other questions or comments, do leave them below. I do read all the comments that I get, and I'll try and reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, just click on the eagle. Why not check out my vlog channel? Just click on my face, and there's a couple of other videos there that have been chosen specially for you. So I hope you enjoy them. Till next time, bye for now.